Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can forward messages or emails in your account on Canary Mail in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So step number 1, open up Canary Mail on your device, and step number 2, navigate to the folder or inbox of the connected email account or inbox. Like for example, as you can see, connected a Gmail account, and I'm going to use that email inside that example folder here to forward it. So guys, what you want to do is select it here in that list, for example, with your left mouse, and after that click into these three dots here at the top and select forward, or alternately you right click into it and from that menu select forward again. That is going to open up that message window here, so you can enter the recipient's email address at the top. You can customize or edit or change the subject, of course. If it's a forward mail, you will see it's starting with FWD double dot and then the title, and you can enter your message here and you will see the message you would like to forward below. And that's it. After that, click into that send button and forward it to the recipient. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.